Human beings consume billions of bananas each year, making this peculiar yellow fruit one of the most popular foods in the world. However, those billions of bananas we eat result in billions of banana peels, which are typically thrown away. Did you know banana peels make one of the best fertilizers out there? I didn't until I started researching it. Turns out banana peels are a rich source of nutrients your plants crave: potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, along with a host of other minerals your plants need. Here are 6 ways to recycle your banana peels and never throw them away. 1. Compost. Probably the most popular and easiest use for banana peels is to mix them into the compost pile. Peels add potassium and phosphorus to compost, which promote root development and overall plant health when incorporated into garden soil. 2. Brew some compost tea. If you don't have a compost pile, you can still use banana peels to feed your garden. Simply drop a few peels into a bucket full of water and let it sit for a couple days to make compost tea. Mix 1 part banana peel compost tea with 5 parts fresh water and feed this mineral-rich mixture to your plants about once per week in lieu of your normal watering. The added potassium and phosphorus will give your plants a boost and keep them growing strong. 3. Dried peel fertilizer. You can dry your banana peels and grind them into a fertilizer. If you only have a few peels to use up, but want to use them effectively on many plants, this is a great option. Add to your garden soil directly, either by sprinkling as a side dressing or gently incorporating into the dirt. 4. Create a banana peel spray. This spray is a fertilizer that also uses eggshells for a calcium boost and Epsom salt for magnesium. To create the fertilizer spray, you'll need banana peels, eggshells, Epsom salt, and water. Dry the banana peels and eggshells. Then, once they're dry, grind them together. Add the peels and shells to a spray bottle, along with the Epsom salt, and fill the sprayer to the top. Spray on your plants as needed. 5. Livestock feed. Humans are not the only ones who enjoy bananas. Livestock like chicken, rabbits, and pigs will enjoy ground-up dried banana peels added to their feed. Just make sure to clean the peels of any wax or pesticides before drying and offering them to pets or livestock. And 6. Create banana peel vinegar. Blueberries and other acid-loving plants will enjoy a treat of banana vinegar. Put your peels in a mason jar and cover with enough water so they're submerged. Cover with a cloth and rubber band or a loosely fitting top. Let the mixture sit for a week while the good bacteria does its job and unlocks the nutrients in the peel. After a week, remove the peels and allow the water to sit covered until the mixture ferments into a vinegar. This can take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the conditions such as temperature.